Understanding, in good taste, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English expressions, focusing on in good taste. This phrase is commonly used but can be a bit confusing for learners. So, let's unravel its meaning together. In good taste refers to something that is considered acceptable, appropriate, and respectful in a social or cultural context. It often relates to behavior, fashion, speech, or artistic choices. When something is in good taste, it means it is done with sensitivity and respect towards others. 1. Fashion. Wearing a formal dress to a wedding is in good taste. 2. Humor. Making jokes that do not offend anyone is considered in good taste. 3. Social media. Sharing content that is respectful and not offensive is in good taste. Contrastingly, in bad taste refers to actions or expressions that are offensive, inappropriate, or disrespectful. Understanding this difference is crucial in social interactions. Her comments about the artwork were in good taste and appreciated by everyone. It's in good taste to bring a gift when you're invited to someone's house for dinner. We hope this video has made the phrase, in good taste, clearer for you. Remember, it's all about being respectful and appropriate in different situations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips.